This course, Introduction on Ariba, consists of the following sections. Ariba in the digital ecosystem. Why, when, how Ariba was created, why is it useful, why do companies should use it. The plan by pay process, which is underlying Ariba functionalities, the main which are Ariba spend visibility, which allows for companies to have a granular visibility and transparency on their spendings. Ariba sourcing, which allows companies to find the best possible source of procurement, which are managed with the Ariba contract management, allowing companies to reduce their legal fees and apply the contracts whenever they procure some goods. See you soon in our course, Introduction to Ariba.